Hello do-it-yourselfers, I'm Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician. Welcome to another one of my video shorts on current topics. Let's get started. So the next in my series of smart home videos, I'm going to install the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. And I thought the perfect place for this to get started would be right here in the kitchen for our coffee pot. Now, a regular routine for us is that Sandy makes coffee, gets it ready the night before, and then when the cat wakes her up around 6 o'clock, she comes out, turns on the coffee pot, feeds the cat, goes back and waits in bed for the coffee to be done. So me always trying to be helpful and thinking of her, I suggested that we have the smart plug here on the coffee pot, and so when the cat wakes her up, all she has to do is say, "Hey Google, start the coffee." The coffee can get started by Google and the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug, and when it's ready, then she can come out, feed the cat, get us a couple cups of coffee, and come back and we'll watch the morning news as per our regular routine. So let's get started putting this plug in. It should be a short video because we've already got the app from the Wemo Wi-Fi light switch, so it should just be a matter of plugging this in and getting it set up. So the unboxing of the Wi-Fi Smart Plug isn't too complicated of a procedure. There's not much in this box. All we have is the setup guide and the smart plug unit itself. Nothing else. The rest is just packaging. So let's read through that setup guide and get this thing started. So a quick read through the setup guide. It said download the Wemo app, which we've already done. Plug in the Wemo Mini, which I have done. Wait till the Wi-Fi indicator light flashes white and orange, which it's doing. Plug something into the Wemo Mini. Choose any item you want. Well, because the coffee maker isn't ready to make coffee, I've just chosen the tea kettle here. So we'll plug that in and open the Wemo app to complete the setup. So as per the instructions, we're going to open up our Wemo app. It says add a Wemo. Wemo Smart Plug. Choose an outlet. Done that. It's plugged in. The light will blink two colors when it's ready for setup. It's ready for setup. Go to your phone settings and connect to the Wemo Wi-Fi. Okay, got to go to our settings and look for that. Just like doing the light switch, you have to link directly to the plug, the smart plug. There it is, the Wemo Mini. Install home. Do you want to add it to your Wi-Fi network and home? Yes. Use the HomeKit setup code. So I had to scan the code on the packaging. There's that QR code. Searching for an accessory. Okay, now it says it's adding the Wemo Mini Smart Plug V2 by Belkin. Alright, so I got it all successfully installed and added to my Wemo app. Let's just test it out now. Using the app, we'll turn it on. And there we have the teapot going. And we can turn it off using the app. And it's off. So now we just have to link it to Google Home. We'll name it the kitchen coffee pot. And we should be good to go. We'll try it out after we get that all linked up. So I thought I'd just show you here now, once you've got it all connected to your Wemo app and you want to link it to Google Home, I found the easiest way to do this is just open up your Google Home app and the new device will show up. I had to add it to the kitchen. So there is the socket. Now I can turn it on or off. But I can also now name it. Right now it's just called socket. So We'll give it a little better name than that. We're going to call it the kitchen coffee pot. Okay, so that's done. Save that. Now let's see if we can make it work with Google Assistant. Okay, Google, turn on kitchen coffee pot.
Sure, turning the kitchen coffee pot on.
And it works.
Great.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something useful from this video. My goal is to help you out with your small home electrical projects or minor repairs, and to help you complete them both safely and competently. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel here. And for more helpful information, visit my website at electrical-online.com. And if you'd like to learn more about home electrical, my program, The Basics of Household Wiring, is simply the best electrical educational information you will find. And it's available as a DVD or an instant download. I also use this information as the core material for my best-selling course at udemy.com called Learn the Basics of Household Wiring, the Electrical System A to Z. And of course, you can find me on Facebook and Twitter. But what if you need help with something right away? I'm one of the experts on the Magnify app. That's Magnify with an I. You download the app and search for the Internet Electrician from your smartphone. You can get instant assistance. And I'm also a certified expert on the JustAnswer.com team. There are links below in the description here to everything that I've told you about. So until next time, thanks for watching. I'm Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician.